Hey guys, today's question is on economics, which says which of the following most accurately describes economic profit. Economic profits are zero when options given are A. Total revenue equals the sum of all opportunity cost. Option B is implicit cost equal explicit cost. Option C is implied rental rates equal foregone interest. And the last one is economic depreciation equals zero. So what you guys think would be the correct answer to this question? So correct answer to this question is A. Let me explain it to you how. We need to understand three types of profits first: accounting, economic and normal, and two types of cost: explicit cost and implicit cost. Explicit costs are visible cost like rent payments, and implicit costs are invisible cost like allocation of time by the owner. Now let's have a look at this table. What is accounting profit? Accounting profit is defined as the net income of the company earned during a particular accounting year. And economic profit is defined as the remaining surplus left after deducting total cost from total revenue. And normal profit will be defined as the least amount of profit needed for its survival. How we are going to calculate accounting profit? The formula for this is accounting profit is equal to total revenue minus total explicit cost. And economic profit is equal to total revenue minus total explicit plus total implicit cost. Normal profit is calculated by total revenue is equal to total cost, that is explicit and implicit. Let me explain it to you. Economic profit is equal to revenue minus explicit cost minus implicit cost, and accounting profit is equal to revenue minus explicit cost, or economic profit is equal to accounting profit minus implicit cost. A particular value of accounting profit if equals implicit cost is called normal profit. If this is the case, then economic profit is zero. When economic profit is zero, total revenue is equal to total explicit cost plus total implicit cost. Thank you.